everyone, and welcome to my channel, Remote Work from Home. Here on this channel, I am here to provide you with all the work from home opportunities out there. We do have plenty of opportunities for anyone, whether it is stay-at-home moms or anyone who would like to earn an extra dollar in their pockets. So right here we do have one of the first jobs, social media coordinator. It is a full-time job, and when it comes to the salary, it is about 34,000 to 43,000 a year. It is an estimate. It could be higher or yes. Right here for the full job description, the job summary: as a savvy social media specialist, you are well social. You able to facilitate conversations among people online and interact with others to answer any questions they may have and provide support. You are a Genesis brand ambassador to the public. You are part writer, part teacher, part developer, and part analysis. Someone who understands the science, art, existence of social media and online reviews and how to use it to market our company. You enjoy writing, tweeting, posting, and designing dynamic content for our promotional posts for social networks and future blogs. You also relish the opportunity to help conceptualize, coordinate, promote, and go to our club and community events, managing the process and interacting with members and guests on a personal level. So basically, if you love social media, if you like tweeting and posting and designing, this is the job for you. And a lot of the work from home jobs are very exciting jobs, I must say, especially this one, as everyone is into social media. So right here we do have the duties and responsibilities. Like they said, writing social media optimized posts that provide exceptional content for the reader first and foremost, and inform customers of our company, solutions, and products in a contextual way, engaging on an emotional, human level. Writing social media optimized posts that provide exceptional content for the reader first and foremost, and inform customers of our company, solutions, and products in a contextual way, engaging on a emotional, human level, and so on and so forth. So all of it, if you are interested or hooked on LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok, this is the job for you. The job requirements: you are required to have 2 or more years of social media experience, a bachelor in marketing, communications, or journalism preferred. It is a preferred requirement. However, if you do not have, you are more than welcome to still apply. In-depth knowledge and understanding of social media platforms and their respective participants and how each platform can be deployed in different scenarios. You need to experience using social media management systems such as Expion, Hootsuite, or TweetDeck. You need to have excellent writing, language, and communication skills. You need to be a team player with the confidence to take the lead and guide other employees when necessary. You need to make evident good. You need to be able to make evident good technical understanding and can pick up on new tools quickly. You need to be able to have good customer service, available to work weekends and evenings when needed for social media coverings or events. Yes, so this job was just posted. It is a remote job. It is a work from home, full time. Yes, so if you guys are interested, it does sound like a very enjoyable job because it is something a lot of us we are hooked on social media, and why not? Social media, kill two birds with one stone, and you get a little something in your pocket. So if you guys are interested, feel free to look at the description. I am going to go ahead and place the link on here. And all the best to you guys. Don't forget to like this video. I will be posting more content, more jobs, especially when it comes to work from home, to help you guys out there because things are not going that well at the moment. You know what's going on. So it is a good thing that we have work from home in this day and age. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and we will see you back in the next video.